But this is where I need to go right here. Nice. Coming up to the point where the creek comes across this fire road. Well, it looks like we might have a couple of other steep switchbacks. I'm about a mile in. It's all been this kind of stuff out in the open, hiking up this loose rock trail. But I just wanted to show you, eventually we'll be in that little ponderosa stand. These ponderosa pines used to cover these hillsides all over. And they pretty much were used in the 1800s and early 1900s to build Carson City. Right, I think I'm gonna stop up here and layer up. Probably dropped about 10 degrees. Oh man, the sun feels great. This is a funny little switchback, very deceiving. Swing back here, jump back on. Eventually we'll get down there. This is a real, probably the prettiest part of this trail. It is beautiful hiking right now. Everything is so still. And as long as that sun stays above that ridge line, and got like 20 minutes left, it should stay this way. Feels so nice. All right, hopefully this guy's not dumping a body. I think that's a starting point down there.
You put in a lot of miles today.
About 4.5.